What's up guys, it's Phil and it's time, you guessed it, for another update. So it is Wednesday and I am recording this midway through this update. So I've got a long night ahead of me, but I'll talk about that in just a moment. For this week, I've got a couple of cool built-ins going on. I've got a kind of like library that I'm doing, which I'm really excited about. Then I've also got a little bit of handyman work here and there, and one job that's going to be refinishing another built-in for another client. I'm actually fixing her shelves so that they can support a lot more of the photo album. If I'm able to get this project done this week, which I don't think I will be, then I've got another project starting on Monday. But I have been filling my schedule with a lot of consultations, which I like to do early in the morning. Then I go and do my work, and then I finish up other stuff. But this particular week, I have gotten myself behind once again. But hey, if nothing else, I am consistent. I am behind once again, which is a state of stasis for me at this point. As for tonight, I am finishing up the bench from my last update. I'm a little behind on that, but if I can get it done and get it delivered, then I'm going to be good to go on that. It is already paid for, so it is very, very crucial that I get this thing done by Friday, and I haven't even started it yet. I've got a bunch of custom signs that I'm working on for my wife. I've got to get these signs done for her Etsy shop. Check her out. It is Settling in Sawdust. You can find her on Etsy. You can also find her on Instagram. I'm going to put some links in the description because it's friggin' awesome. It is hand lettered. She does literally everything by hand. She does not use a sign printer. She does not use a plotter, and it is amazing stuff. But just like farmhouse furniture, there's a billion people out there who are doing custom signs. So that kind of sucks. Hopefully I've got a show coming up next month that is 2 months from now that is going to be awesome, and hopefully kind of push some of her stuff and just grow her business. So I'm excited about that, but that also means extra work for me, and it is Wednesday night, it is 8 o'clock, and I'm just now getting started when I've already had a full day that started at 7 a.m. this morning. So yay for me. But it is hot, it is humid, and I am ready to start working. My hair looks like crap because of the humidity, and I'm just ready to go. So I'm gonna get to work on all of this stuff. In the meantime, take a look at what I've been working on, and as we finish up through that, we'll get caught up on where I currently am, and then you and I will take a journey together to finish up this update. that, I am done. That library turned out super awesome, and the ladder looks really cool. It's kind of a farmhouse style. I'm not entirely sure if the client is happy with it or not. It fits the photo she originally sent me, but she may not exactly like that ladder and go with it. So we'll see. I gotta wait and hear back from her this weekend, see what they think, but I think it looks awesome. I think the rest of the library looks phenomenal. Other than that, I did finish up a little laundry room that I was working on. I had a customer that needed an extra shelf done, and then also ordered a sign custom made by my wife. So one of the signs I was doing earlier was that sign for her laundry room. And then I added the extra shelves next to the cabinets in there, and it looks phenomenal. I got that bench delivered and got a whole bunch of other stuff done this week. Some of it didn't even make it into the video. So I have been super busy the past 2 weeks, and I am luckily caught up for now. I'm starting a new built-in project next week, which is going to be super awesome. It's a fireplace surround that I've done similar fireplaces before in the same neighborhood, so I'm looking forward to that. But in the meantime, I'm just looking forward to enjoying my weekend. It is the end of Friday right now, and I am done. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go grab a beer and just hang out, spend some time with the fam, and get right back at it next week. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to find me on social media. Everything is at PMK Woodworking on Facebook, on Instagram. I don't think I'm on Twitter anymore, but even if I was, nobody would want to hear me talk any more than I do now. For those awesome signs, check out Settling in Sawdust on Instagram. That's my wife's sign company, and she makes awesome signs, so definitely check her out. Give her a like, give her a follow, help her boost up her stuff. If you want to buy some of them, check them out on Etsy under the same name, Settling in Sawdust on Etsy. They look awesome. They've got custom hardwood frames and some like tinted pine frames, which is awesome, so definitely check those out, especially if you're looking for some good gift ideas for someone. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you can see when I've got new videos and DIYs coming up. And I've got my 2,500 subscriber contest coming up. I'm just about to hit 2,500 subs, or I think I may have already by the time this video comes out. And I'm going to be doing a random stuff giveaway. So check out my Instagram, check out my Facebook. I think I'm going to announce it on my Instagram, but I always announce it on these videos as well. So definitely check that out. Join in the contest. Join in the contest. Stop. I'm making a video. You have to be quiet. Yeah, that's a foot. Join in the contest by commenting on this video or on the post when I finally put it on Instagram, and you might get something random just because that's kind of fun. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.